Hey YouTube, I got the lawnmower going, got the rear end fixed and everything, put a little stack on it, got it going and everything. Now I've got more light to show you more. Oh yeah. Car leaks a little bit, but I got a fuel shut off for it. Alternator equipped starter. So that's a good charging system. Yep, new battery. Frickin'. This is what it looks like. Back tires pretty much have no air, more traction. Alright. Just got back from town, put a new belt on. Oh yeah. Looks dark, but that's just what the belt looks like actually. It's brand new. Oh yeah. Brand new, 15 bucks. The old belt used to rub, this one doesn't. Yeah. Here, I'll fire it up since I have a straight pipe now. Alright. Yeah, we got it running at Redneck for Life 76. Yeah, we got it going, but the belt was too big, so I really couldn't drive it. So just bought a new one. Now it works, but yeah, we got his going too. So just check out his channel, Redneck for Life 76. Yeah, he has a lot of good videos on there, so you should check it out. But I'll have more updates maybe in a couple of days when I do more work to it. Alright, see you in a bit.